Hey, Dan Meyer here, and today we're going to talk about the 3-step starter kit for entrepreneurs. So I get asked all the time by people, how do I get started? I work with a lot of young professionals and recent college graduates and even people who have been in the workforce a long time, and they're just not sure how to start. Some people have spent a lot of money or a lot of time or a lot of study trying to figure out how to be successful in business. And in this day and age, when everything is online and the future is all about streaming, I'm going to share with you 3 simple steps to get started now. Now, I've learned these steps over many years of trial and error. I've had some great successes and some epic failures. But the one thing that's been consistent throughout every business I've launched, and I've launched I'm on my 6th business now. So I've launched 5 businesses in the last 10 years, and number 6 is coming out soon in January. And basically all of my businesses are about serving people, about using technology to be able to get ahead, to understand how to use data and virtual staffing, and how to basically give yourself the ability to do more by working less yourself, or at least freeing yourself up from doing the things that slowed you down. So what you do work on is something only you should be working on. These 3 steps are simple. You have to plan, you have to actually grow, and then you have to create something special, right? So you got to plan in the beginning before you do anything. You got to have a solid plan. Then you got to have that plan that takes you through the growth, that allows you to evolve your business from infancy to adulthood in a business sense. And then as you're doing that, you should be creating something special. I've done this throughout my career. I did this in the Philippines with analytics training. I've done this with different types of IT services and call centers. I've done this all across Southeast Asia by being an expert in all things data. I've launched a business here in the US to help small businesses and medium businesses staff up with virtual staffing. And I have virtual assistants that can help entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, small business owners, coaches, speakers, authors, and so forth. So that's what we do. And here's how I do it. I plan and create my content ahead of time. When the pandemic started in February, I was already ready to go because I had some foresight that I saw coming. I knew that in 2020, we were going to be a year of a lot of businesses needing to scale, to grow, to hire assistants to help them, and to do it virtually. I saw this coming at the end of last year. I was preparing to do it this year. I launched the business Sonic VA in February. And the idea was that when I did that, I also launched my YouTube channel for Sonic VA. I had done some YouTube stuff in the past, but I really hadn't focused on a YouTube channel. And boom, then the pandemic hit. And I was well positioned because I had a service that people needed in greater than ever before amounts, virtual staffing. And I was using YouTube to be able to tell my story, to share what I could do, to take my products to the market. So if you are good at something, anything, no matter what it is, what is your strength? What is your genius? What do you do really well that you love to do and that people will pay you for? What is that sweet spot where you can do all those things? Once you've identified that, the best way to market yourself is to start creating content. Write down a dozen topics where you could speak about, where you could share knowledge for 10, 15 minutes to an audience of people about how they can use what you know to help their own businesses improve. If you do that, you map it out. You create a calendar. My YouTube channel, when you check it out, you're going to see that I've been dropping videos at least, between 2 and 5 a week, every week since February. And I plan these out. I just don't do them spur. They're not live that I just talk about something and boom. A few of them are live. A few of them have me speaking on other people's stages, but most of them are part of a calendar I created. I wanted to develop a library of my expertise to show people that I know what I'm talking about when it comes to virtual staffing and working from home and growing your business via the internet. So have those topics ready. Map out at least 6 or 7, if not 10 to 12, and record them all before you actually really start promoting your channel. You can record them and drop them and share them, but when you really want to start positioning yourself as an expert, and that's what you're trying to market to your clients, your expertise, the best way to do that is by video. Better than doing it on stage, better than doing it through any marketing materials, definitely better than email or social media. You speaking into the camera, where it's you talking to your audience through your camera, where they get the impression that you're having a one-on-one conversation. That is the best way to get your business out there. So plan your content ahead of time, film it, build a library. Now, once you have that, then you can grow your audience online. Then you want to really buff out your social media. You want to fill it with the content you just created. You can take your videos and you can slice them up into smaller videos. Probably the best way to do it is to film 15, 20 minutes at a time and then slice it up into a couple small videos so you have little teasers and trailers you can put out on other platforms. If your video is more than a couple minutes, it's not going to play well on Facebook. If it's more than a minute, it's probably not going to play well on Instagram. You want to think videos that are short and quick to catch attention. And then you drive them to YouTube to watch all your content. You basically are creating a Netflix of your content where people can binge watch you and want to subscribe to what you do to keep getting more of it. You want to build in their mind a sense that you're going to be dropping something on a regular basis, like a TV network does with a show. Every day at a certain time, or every night at a certain time, or once a week, or whatever it is, they drop new episodes. You need to do the same thing. That helps you grow your audience because you're consistently delivering content that people want to consume. If you do that, you're going to be able to grow your audience. And then you push that through social media. Don't invest a ton into Facebook stuff right away. Build your content library first. Don't just start randomly making lives and sharing those. You'll get a few in the moment reactions, and some people will enjoy that experience of being live with you, but they're going to get much more value if they can go binge a bunch of your content at one time. So do that. Build your content library. And the third thing is create your online course. Create something worthwhile. Put your videos into some kind of course that people will pay for. You can have them do a subscription where they get access to a behind the paywall thing. You can leave a bunch of your YouTube videos unlisted and just give out the URL to people that pay for it. You can put things on a shared drive and give them access. You don't have to invest into a big online course provider. You can. There are plenty out there. You can put your courses all over the place and get paid for them. But you don't have to do all that. If you want to get started, do it simple, right? So make a list of 10 to 12 things that you could talk about for 10 to 15 minutes that have value. Whatever it is your niche is, think of those topics. Record videos, 10 minutes max for each of those topics. Then take the videos and slice them up and make some teasers and trailers and get them out there on social media. And then drive people back to your YouTube channel to binge watch a chunk of your content to give them an appetite for more. And then find a way through some kind of online course that you monetize it. That's how you can start being an entrepreneur today, right now, online. If you want us to help you with your videos, I got a team of VAs that can do great video editing. So I have this video you can check out called How to Sonic Video Assistant. It's a program we just launched where we're trying to help people like you get those first 6 or 12 videos out there. So you have your content library ready, and then you can start finding ways to monetize it. But this is the way to go. Live streaming is great for experiential things. If your business is all about the experience in the moment, yeah, live stream, TikTok, IG, whatever it is. But if you're trying to basically tell people, show people, explain to people what you do and how you do it, a YouTube library is the best place to be able to get people to look at what you do and go, wow, I want to work with this person. This person can help me. This guy's got a solution. This woman's got something that I really need to take part of. That's what you want to do. So that's how you do it, right? 1, 2, 3, right? Plan out your content, record it, put it out there on YouTube, and then start pushing it across social media. Then get people to actually subscribe to it or to pay for it. That's when you monetize it. That's what you do. It's that simple. So if you want to get a VA, go to sonicva.com. If you want to check out our video program, it's sonicva/video.com. sonicva.com/video, sorry. And then when you get out there, you can find out kind of what we do and send us a message. Drop a comment below, find me on social media, or send us a message through our website and tell us what you want to do. Give us a list of the things that you want to create content for, that you want help putting together a YouTube channel where you can get hundreds of subscribers and get thousands of views on your videos. and we will help you do it. So I hope that helped. That's my talk for today. Now go out there and launch your business and do it online with these 3 simple steps. Have a great day.